Hello everyone. Did you find the naming of my campaigns in the last video a tad intriguing? Today we're going to talk about exactly that. The thought process behind those unique names and how you can employ them in your own campaigns. Unlike the typical new lead generation or new traffic campaign names, I opt for a bit more descriptive and informative approach. Take a look at this. Sure, it might seem confusing at first, but let's break it down. The first 3 letters, those are the initials of the agency. The next 3 digits represent the audience stage. 001 means cold audience, 002 is for warm, and 003 stands for retargeting. Next, we have a concise detail of the offer and then the campaign objective, like new leads. Lastly, we have the campaign goal, such as book a call or website registration. And the last bit? It's the date. Pretty cool, right? Moving on to the ad set level. Here, I incorporate copy testing and creatives testing. I've previously made a video about this. You can find it in the top right corner. I assign different numbers to each ad copy, description, and headline using an ad copy worksheet. One number implies one ad copy tested with different creatives, and multiple numbers mean testing multiple ad copies. We also have audience targeting details, including the location radius and gender. We specify main interests we're targeting, like top 25 income and luxury resorts, and the type of targeting. And don't forget the offer, like CRV, which stands for conversion leads, ensuring higher quality leads for you. Lastly, at the ads level, we have the agency name, ad copy number, ad creative name, headline and description numbers, the offer, and a type of testing, copy or creative. So there you have it, my unique naming convention for campaigns. It's like an open book, telling you everything about the campaign in just a glance. Do check out the previous video on copy and creative testing, and everything will start making sense. If you have more questions, drop them in the comments. I'm here to help you out. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more enlightening content. Thanks for watching.